everybody, it's Julie with Tasty in Texas. Welcome to my kitchen. Yes, it is 7:38 at night. It is freezing cold outside. We've been laying around all day watching movies, this and that, so pardon the way I look. I think we're going to do a dessert because we're bored. Yeah, a dessert sounds good right now. Make it sugar-free, of course. That's all we're going to do. Anyway, I'll get back with y'all. We'll figure out what we're going to do. Okay, we are going to make sticky brown sugar cinnamon cake with sauteed pineapple and ice cream. That's what we're going to make, and we're going to make it sugar-free. Okay, so what we're going to do is preheat our oven to 350. Boy, my hair looks awful. I need to do something with it. We cooked chili because it's cold. It is, I think, in the 30s here. I don't know if y'all saw my post earlier. I posted on Facebook. But yeah, it's sleeting, it's snowing, it's icing, it's raining. It's all the weathers in one. The only thing we haven't had is a little bit of sun. Not at all. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 2 tablespoons butter in our pan. Okay. 2 tablespoons. Let's see if I can get y'all where y'all can see this. Let's pull y'all this way. Y'all have to excuse my dirty house because, like I said, we've been watching TV all day. We've been under the covers. It is cold. Where are my manners? I forgot to tell y'all what all we needed. I am so sorry. Okay, so what we're gonna need is, let's see here, close cooking mode. Okay, we're gonna need pineapple. I got a little thing of pineapple. I don't know if y'all saw my grocery haul or not. But they were supposed to send me a big one, but they're going to do a little one, so we're going to do what we can with this. Vanilla ice cream. All-purpose flour, and we're making it gluten-free. Baking powder. Brown sugar, Splenda. Of course, the butter that's in our pan. Nutmeg. Cinnamon. Salt, and our vanilla extract. Start cooking. How about them apples? Well, pineapple. like I said, it's sugar free, y'all, but the ice cream, but the little bit of ice cream that's there is okay. My hair looks awful. I need makeup on. I hadn't even put any makeup on today. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this part. I'll let y'all know how it turns out. See ya, bye.